Hello, thank you very much for your interest in our project, where we explore nature-based solutions on land and sea to reach desirable futures for small-scale fishing communities in the Gulf of Nicoya, which is a small, highly productive gulf in Costa Rica, Central America. We chose the Gulf of Nicoya as the site for the Costa Rican case study because it's the most important small-scale fishing ground in the country. In fact, it's the center of maritime culture in Costa Rica. The ocean has been a part of the coastal community's history, culture, and economy here for centuries. However, right now, this dependence on natural marine resources that are now degraded is causing communities to face challenges in the food-climate-biodiversity nexus. The story of small-scale fisheries in the Gulf of Nicoya is quite similar to that of small-scale fisheries all over the world. Over the past few decades, there has been a sequential depletion of fishery target resources. This boom and bust pattern started with sharks in the 1940s, then followed with sardines in the 1970s, and croakers and shrimp in the 1980s and 1990s. And while yes, overfishing has played a key role in this sequential depletion of target species, there are many other human stressors that are degrading marine fishery resources in the Gulf. The enclosed nature of this Gulf makes it susceptible to pollution from land-based activities like agriculture. Rivers carry fertilizers and pesticides from crops into the Gulf, leading to eutrophication and hypoxia. And fish just can't live where they can't breathe. On top of this, over the past decades, there has been lots of mangrove deforestation. This is important because mangroves are nursery areas to shrimp and croakers, two of the most important target species for small-scale fisheries in the region. And finally, climate change is coming in to exacerbate all current sustainability issues. Given this situation, we ask ourselves, how does land use and climate change affect coastal ecosystems and fisheries? And based on this information, what might be some nature-based solutions that we could co-develop with coastal fishing communities? Once that we have come up with this list of potential solutions, which ones might be the most effective and the most acceptable by local fishing communities? Although our case study focuses on a very small, localized region, there are cross-cutting themes that will allow us to connect the results from our case study to that of the overall project. In fact, Solving-FCB has done a great job at identifying those common themes that can draw connections and commonalities between the case study areas. The ones that we will be focusing on are land-sea interactions, food security, ecosystem-based solutions, and sustainable and equitable livelihoods. And here at the University of Costa Rica, we are beginning our work within the Solving-FCB project by building our team. You can notice that we are bringing in expertise from many different disciplines to tackle these very broad questions. We have researchers that focus on hydrological modeling, on the social sciences, both working with fishing communities and climate change, as well as nutrition and food security. And we also have researchers with expertise in fisheries, marine biodiversity, and climate change impacts. We look forward to bringing you some very interesting results the next time we present. And again, thank you very much for your interest in our project.